Hello, this is Tom Loughton from Nimba Creations. In this video, I will be applying our gelatin mummy prosthetic. This is a highly detailed, one-piece, full-face appliance. For this video, I have pre-painted the prosthetic using our alcohol-activated Perfect Palette 2.0. I will be showing you how to use our Grade 2 prosthetic gelatin in conjunction with our range of gelatin transfer pads. These come in heavy, medium, and fine textures. This will be a full head makeup, so I cover the model's hair with an inexpensive latex bald cap I purchased online. The bald cap does not need to be blended in. It is there to protect the model's hair from further makeup materials. The cap is stuck down using Nimba Fix adhesive for an extra secure hold. You can use our standard prosthetic adhesive as well. Our prosthetic adhesive is used to stick down the model's eyebrows. A layer of adhesive is applied to the centralmost portions of the prosthetic. The corresponding areas of the face also receive a thin film of glue. When the adhesive is fully dry, the prosthetic is lined up and pressed onto the model's face. To allow the model to look around and blink comfortably, I make sure there is no adhesive directly around the eyes, either on the skin or on the prosthetic itself. I begin to lift away the unadhered edges and apply adhesive to the skin and the appliance. These areas are pressed firmly into place. I heat some grade 2 prosthetic gelatin until it is liquid. You will need to do this many times, so a fully heat-proof container is recommended. You must continuously test that it is of a safe temperature to use on the skin. A thin film of gelatin is smeared on the bald cap and the edge of the appliance. This will remain tacky for quite a long time. Next, spread a moderately thin layer of grade 2 gelatin onto the textured surface of a transfer pad. When the gelatin has become firm to the touch, but still sticky, it's ready to use. Press the transfer pad and its gelatin into the still sticky gelatin on the bald cap. Don't be shy with the pressure you use. I have a bowl of ice water standing by to dip a cloth into. This damp cloth is used to cool the back of the transfer pads to speed the setting time of the gelatin beneath. When the gelatin is cooled sufficiently, gently peel the transfer pad away. You will reveal a fully textured layer of gelatin, bonding to the underlying layer of gelatin already on the model. Any unstuck areas can be pasted into place with further dabs of liquid gelatin. You can apply gelatin directly over a blending edge of a prosthetic and press a transfer pad into the still liquid gelatin. When the cooled pad is removed, the blending edge is left sealed under a fully formed skin layer with the texture of your choice. Hard edges can also be melted smooth with a metal tool heated in a mug of very hot water. You can build up quite complex and detailed areas of texture on the cap, the skin, and on appliances. Comprehensive makeup designs can be created with gelatin transfer pads alone, or they can be used as I have to extend an existing design. The uses for gelatin transfer pads in special effects makeup are near endless. Finish the makeup using our Perfect Palette 2.0 alcohol activated colors. Browns, yellows, green, and gray colors are stippled on using a brush and a sponge to match the pre-painted prosthetic. Thin brown and olive colors are spattered on for color toning and texture. Lighter tones help to match the brightness and mute the skin's color intensity. Heavy spatter is used to add bold skin blemishes. You can add hair, bandage wrappings, or anything you think will help bring your mummified creation to life.